This video tutorial I will explain split iterator method of arrays class which accept long array. Here I have defined the class arrays demo. Here I have defined the long array. Then I am calling split iterator method of arrays class and passing long array. This method returns split iterator for the array elements. Then I am calling try split method of split iterator and it returns split iterator covering some portion of the array elements. Here I am printing split iterator 1 content. Here I am printing split iterator 2 content. I am running this program. Here you can see the output. You can get Java source code link from the description of the video. In mobile, to see the description, click on this icon. It will expand like this, and here you can see the description. It contains Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.